Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases is the main tertiary care center of the country for cardiology and relevant specialties. On the evening of 10th of May 2023, the institution had its graduation ceremony in Pearl Continental Hotel, Karachi. The President, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, participated as chief guest, and Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Senior Vice President, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, as guest of honor. Attended by local council members Professor Muhammad Masroor, Treasurer Professor Sayyid Khalid Ahmed Ashrafi, Professor Amreen Afzal, Professor Abdullah Al Muttaqi, Professor Abbas Memon. The graduation ceremony was attended by faculty of National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases, eminent cardiologists, and graduating fellows from NICVD. The ceremony started with Tilawat-e Quran-e-Pak, followed by National Anthem and Welcome Address by Dr. Suhail Khan, Chief Operating Officer, Executive Director Professor Nadeem Kamar, Director Postgraduate Professor Zahid Jamal, threw light upon contributions of NICVD in academic, research and quality service delivery through main hospital at Karachi and 10 different hospitals in various parts of the province and the country. The guest of honor, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Senior Vice President CPSP, updated the audience about current statistics of CPSP, particularly of NICVD. The chief guest of the ceremony, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, shared the national and international updates of CPSP and future vision. His speech link is given in the description of this video. On the occasion of graduation ceremony, the chief guest distributed certificates of academic to the fellows and residents upon completion of successful training. The executive director presented souvenir to the chief guest and guest of honor, followed by a group photo with participants. It is worth mentioning that current council since 18th March 2023 is trying to achieve the target set and future vision shared by President CPSP and Senior Vice President. President CPSP also had meeting in the morning with heads of departments and witnessed educational activities going on. He was briefed by Head of Advanced Skills Department about ongoing activities, Examination Department about fellowship examinations going on at CPSP headquarters Karachi and at provincial centers. 2 examiners of Saudi Arabia also participated in the FCPS examination of medicine. In the afternoon, President, Senior Vice President, DGIR, local council members had a Zoom meeting with regional directors and committee members of UK for strengthening of Overseas Scholarship Rational Program. Regional Director Dr. Asad Rahim and Dr. Atikur Rahman updated the Overseas Junior and Senior Fellowship Program. While thanking CPSP, they said,
it was a really honor and pleasure to attend this meeting. It was the first time for me, and thank you very much for the invitation. I really felt very much involved and engaged, and it was an absolute pleasure.
On 27th of May, medicine and allied faculty members will meet to formulate the recommendations on future vision and way forward. The current council, with collective wisdom and team spirit, is trying to achieve the targets, inshallah, and thank you.